Hello, good morning, friends. I am Professor Sunita Shirsat. I have brought something new for you. You are worried about paper 3.0, okay? Because there's no any data for it, no notes, okay? No guidance for it, and subject is so difficult. But don't worry, I have prepared some MCQs myself. Okay, our subject is Indian literature in English, and for it, there are different types of literature which is translated in English. Okay, now listen these MCQs carefully and study it carefully. Okay, first question is here. There are dot chapters in Parja. Answer is 114. Okay, option is A. Second question is here. In Parja, there is portrayal of people and their life. Okay, which portrayal is given? And answer is here Parja people. Okay, that means option is D. Third question is here. Is the protagonist of Parja. And answer is very simple. Answer is Sukrujani. Sukrujani is the protagonist of Parja. Okay. Fourth question is what is called gate of truth in the novel Parja? Listen this question carefully. What is called gate of truth in the novel Parja? And answer is here mountain Dharam Duas. Okay. Next question is here. Who is Sukrujani's wife? And answer is Sombal. Sukrujani's wife's name was Sombal. Next question is here. Barik is described in the novel Parja. Who is Barik? Barik is village watchman. And so answer option is C, village watchman. Next, what is the name of Jilly's bosom friend? Okay, what is the name of Jilly's bosom friend? And we know that Kajodi is Jilly's bosom friend. Hence, answer option is B. Next, what is the name of revenue officer? What is the name of revenue officer? We know that Ribini is revenue officer. Okay, hence name of the revenue officer is Ribini. Ninth question is here. Who is in love with Jilly? And answer is Rangu Parja. Okay. Next, who is Hidman's Goti? 10th question is who is Hidman's Goti? And answer is Cow Parja. Next question is here. What permission did Sukrujani seek from forest officer? Okay. And answer is that to clear the patch of forest land. To clear patch of forest land. Hence, option is B. Next question is, that means 12th question. What crime did Sukrujani commit? What crime did Sukrujani commit? And answer is to clear the forest land. Okay. Next is here. What is the meaning of Goti? What is the meaning of Goti? Goti means bounded labor. Goti means bounded labor. Next, how much rupees did Sukrujani borrow from Ram Bisoi? How much rupees did Sukrujani borrow from Ram Bisoi? And answer is 50. What is how many rupees? How much rupees? 50 rupees. Next question. What is the setting of Parja? That means where the novel Parja is set. Okay. And answer is Sarsuda, a tribal village. That means option is C. Next is here. Which crime did Mandia commit to make money? Which crime did Mandia commit to make money? And answer is option A. That means he brewed liquor illegally. Okay. Next question is here. To whom did Mandya want to marry? To whom did Mandya want to marry? And answer is Kajodi. That means Mandya wanted to marry to Kajodi. Okay. Next, 18th question is here. Why were Parja and Dom people frightened? Why were Parja and Dom people frightened? And answer is B. That means by the harassment by police and officials. Okay. Now, 19th question is here. Kajodi was in love with ... Kajodi was in love with ... and answer is Bagla. Kajodi was in love with Bagla. Next is here. Who wears Saukar's Mentos? And answer is Garja, Surdara and Ribini. Next is here. Who is Kuchi? Kutchi. Who is Kuchi? Kuchi is contractor of road workers. Who is Kuchi? Kuchi is contractor of road workers. Next, where did laborers gather to take their wages? Where did laborers gather to take their wages? And we know that place is in front of supervisor's hut. 23rd question is here. On what condition Saukar was ready to make Sukrujani free? And condition was that oral agreement of Sukrujani's land. That means answer is D here. Okay. Next, who helped Sukrujani's family? And we know that Kauparja. Kauparja helped Sukrujani's family. Next question is here. Whom does Saukar desire? And answer is Zili. Saukar desired for Zili. Next, 26th question is what type of novel Parja is? And answer is Parja is tribal novel. Hence, our option is A. 27th question is what solution did Nandibai suggest to escape from Saukar's plan? And answer is to move to the district court and file case against Saukar. What is answer? To move to the district court and file case against Saukar. Next is here. The Kural is a classic Tamil language text consisting of 1330 short couplets of ... words. And answer is 7. That couplet is of 7 words. Kural is couplet of 7 words. Hence option is C. Next, who was Parvati? Okay, who was Parvati? And answer is Prabhashankar's wife. Parvati was Prabhashankar's wife. Hence, option is A. Third question is, why did Prabhashankar look for needle and thread? And answer is Prabhashankar looked for needle and thread to make patch on torn coat. We know that his coat was torn and hence he want to make patch on it and hence he was looking for needle and thread. 31st question is here. Who helped Prabhashankar? And answer is Manu. Manu was one of the neighboring boy. He helped Prabhashankar. Okay. What did Prabhashankar offer Manu as reward? And answer is telling story of king and queen. Okay. 33rd question is, what was the wish of king and queen? And answer is the wish of king and queen was not to lessen the beauty of the prince as per age. Okay. That means they want their prince to be young forever. Okay. 34th question is, what did Saint give king and queen? We know answer. Saint gave king and queen the magic cloth. Answer is magic cloth. 35th question is, When would be hole on the cloth? Okay, when would be hole on that cloth? And answer is add the ill thoughts about prince in the minds of king and queen. That means when king and queen had ill thoughts about prince, that time there will be hole on the cloth. Okay, hence option is A. 36 question is who could stitch the whole of the cloth? And answer is one who has not commit sin. Okay, one who has not commit sin ever now. Okay, 37 is who was the crying woman? Who was crying woman? One who has the prince left away. Who has the prince left away? That was crying woman. 38 question is why did prince not take of the cloth? Why did? And answer is prince did not take off the cloth due to his greed to be young forever. We know that the prince had also greed to be young forever. Hence, he did not took off the cloth. He did not take off the cloth in spite of having hole on it. Okay. 39 question is dot is Hari's illegitimate sons. And answer is Rajninath. Rajninath is Hari's illegitimate son. 40 question is Rama keeps illicit relationship with dot. We know answer. Rama keeps illicit relationship with Rajninath. Now next is name of the Manik's husband. Manik's husband is Raja of Honda. Okay, Raja of Honda is Manik's husband. Who disclosed the relationship between Rama and Rajninath? Who disclosed the relationship between Rama and Rajninath? And answer is Umakant. Umakant disclosed that relationship. We know that. Next question is Hari Pitale's family scattered only due to. We know that greed of money. Hari Pitale's family is scattered only due to greed of money. Okay. 44th question is dot and dot are the main themes of the play Vulture. And answer is violence and man-woman relationship. Violence and man-woman relationship are the main themes of the play Vultures. Okay. Next is here some passes, some snaps is story by dot. We know who is the writer? Bashir Akhtar. Bashir Akhtar is the writer of the story Some Passes, Some Snaps. Next, Tune is story by dot. Tune is Manipuri story by M.K. Binodini. Okay. Next question is from where were female characters of Vijay Tendulkar's play? We know that lower and middle class. Vijay Tendulkar's female characters were from lower and middle class. The Vulture was produced in dot. Next question is here. Vulture was produced in dot. And answer is 1970. Okay. 49 question is what is the setting of Vulture? Oh, what is the setting of Vulture? And answer is upper middle class family. What is answer? Upper middle class family. Next, Vulture was translated into English by. Who translate Vulture from Marathi into English? And translator's name is Priya Adarkar. Okay. 51 question is where does Rajninath live? That means living place of Rajninath. We know that Rajninath is illegitimate son and hence he lived in the garage. Hence option is in the garage. Next, who is Sakaram? Sakaram is Hari Pitale's brother. Okay. Next, what does the play Vulture open? The play Vulture opens with Rama and Ramakant's leaving the house. Okay. We know that where the play Vulture opens, we see that Rama and Ramakant are leaving the house. Okay. Next, who is only daughter of Papa? Manik is only daughter of Papa. Why does Rama put illicit relationship with Rajninath. That means, in spite of having husband Ramakant, she committed illicit relationship with Rajninath. What is the reason? Reason is to fulfill dream of being mother. To fulfill dream of being mother. Next is here, who are vultures mentioned in the play? An answer is Manik, Ramakant, Umakant, all are vultures. Hence, option is all of the above. Next is here, who is lover of Manik? And answer is Raja of Honda. Raja of Honda is also lover as well as husband of Manik. Next, what does Umakant want? And answer is here, Umakant want his share and possession of house. 59 question is, who disclose relationship between Rama and Rajninath? We know answer, Umakant. Okay. Next is here, who is illegitimate son of Papa? And answer is Rajninath. Next, who is only daughter of Papa? And answer is Mani. 62nd question is, according to Kabir Das, what is the result of too much talking? According to Kabir Das, what is the result of too much talking? We know that when one talks too much, all things get out of hand. Hence, option is B. That means things get out of hand. Next, 63rd question is, a good family person gives helping hand to ... We know that a good family person gives helping hand to saints, poor and needy. Hence, option is C. Next, how is friendship amongst the wise change day by day? And answer is, the friendship amongst wise change day by day, waxes like descent, waxes like crescent. Okay. Next, what is Lord Shiva compared to by Akka Mahadevi? Akka Mahadevi compared Lord Shiva with as white as jasmine. According to her, Lord Shiva is as white as jasmine. Okay. According to Kabir Das, good person should be treated in a way. Okay. That means, according to Kabir Das, good person should be treated in a way. Good person should be listened and spoken. Next, how is talking with wise man? And answer is, talking with wise man is a great reward. Okay. Talking with wise man is great reward. Hence, our option is D. Next, Mirabai says, ... gives the fate of the child. And answer is Lord. Lord gives the fate of the child. Next, to whom Atukuri Mola gives the credit of her literary success. And answer is Lord Malleshwara. Atukuri Mola gives the credit of her literary success to Lord Malleshwara. Next is here, what does the moth do achieve his love? That is lamb. We know that moth offer his body to get his love. Okay. Thanking friends for listening my video. Okay. If you have any problem, you can mail me as well as comment me. Okay. Best of luck for your exam, and if you like this video, like it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.